The main idea behind the For a Farmer project is to link biodiversity conservation with limitation of greenhouse gas emission from deforestation and forest degradation. This is supposed to be done in two ways. First, by integrating sustainable forest management into the RED mechanism being currently negotiated. And secondly, by promoting sustainable timber exploitation so that the forest can be preserved when logging is done sustainably. Logging per se does very little damage to the forest. However, by creating a network of roads, you may have more important indirect impacts on the forest and effects. So sustainable forest management try to limit these indirect impacts. The For a Farmer project is an idea of the French Global Environment Facility and the French Agency for International Development, and it is implemented by CIFOR and its partner.
Dennis, why have you brought us to this spot in the middle of the forest?
Well, that is a good question. I think we came here because we have an opportunity here to do some type of the research that is not yet common in the Central Africa area. It means the research on the RED, reduction of emissions due to deforestation and degradation, working with the logging company. The second step now is to come to a site like this one and try to make evaluation of the carbon stock on the tree that have been removed so that we have an idea of the carbon stock on the site that have been, I will say, exploited. And then on the site, you can have information on the damage that a tree falling can do, I will say, on the forest.
Donc, après avoir déterminé la zone d'impact, qu'est-ce qu'on faisait? On prenait les mesures de la bille de la base. Et on prend la distance entre cette bille, cette souche qui n'a pas été utilisée jusqu'à le début du houppier. Donc l'espace qui a été exploité. On arrive, cette distance, on prend les deux diamètres. On prend aussi le diamètre ici. Parce que le début de la base du houppier, on prend la même chose. Et puis, on continue. On détermine donc la distance entre cette bille de la souche et cette bille du début du houppier, abandonnée par l'exploitant. Quand on a déterminé cette longueur, qu'est-ce qu'on faisait? On utilisait à partir de la souche. Vous allez voir ici, il y a un obstacle, il y a eu déviation lors de la chute et il fallait donc tenir compte de cette déviation. Et puis maintenant, on commence donc à collecter les données.
And then beside that, you go nearby and then you try to do assessment of the carbon stock on an area that was not affected so that at least we can have a comparison between an area affected by the logging activity and then an area that was not disturbed. Within the project, one of the activities that we are trying to do is to try to compare the income that you could have in different land uses. So for example, if you take a land use that is used to grow crop or to grow industrial crop or put beside for the logging or put beside for the protected area. So one of my colleagues is trying to assess the income that you can have so that if the country wants to decide to go to RED or to protected area or to the logging, so at least he has basic information that can allow him to take the proper decision. But beside that, we are working with the private company trying to find solutions for some of the issues that are on the table as far as forest is concerned, not only in South Africa but also in other tropical area of the world.